So welcome everyone in this new video of the digital electronics. This is the 14th video of the digital electronics, and in this video we are going to discuss the subtraction of the octal number system. In the previous video we have taken the octal addition, and in that video we have solved so many examples. In this video also we are going to take many examples so that you get the full coverage of all the range of questions that can be asked in the examination. So if you are preparing for any kind of such exam such as your university exam or GATE examination or any other examination, these videos can help you a lot in your preparation. So with that motive, let's start this video. So in this video, first of all, we will cover the basic steps about doing the octal subtraction. The octal subtraction is quite similar to the decimal subtraction. So if you are taking any number a minus b, right, whatever the answer that you get, that answer will be as per the decimal subtraction. Okay, the answer will be as per the decimal subtraction if your a is greater than b. That is the condition that you need to keep in your mind. But let's say your a is less than b. So in the decimal number system, we were taking borrow, right? So we were taking borrow. So here also we will take the borrow. But how we are going to take the borrow, that I will explain you with the example. Let's say I am having a two number. My first number is 23 and the second number is 15. Okay. So here 3 is greater than 5. If you check out, 3 is greater than 5. So 3 cannot be subtracted from 5, and that is why we will take borrow. So if we are taking the borrow here, as we know, 10 will be transferred, right? 10 will be transferred. That 10 is in the octal number system. That means in octal, 10 is equivalent to 8 in the decimal. That thing you need to keep in your mind. Otherwise, you will get more and more confused and you will end up doing the mistakes. So here 10 means 8. Okay, here 10 means 8. That is what you need to keep in mind, and that is why I will subtract the 10 over here, and in this video we are going to use 8 as a borrow. So that is the only difference of doing the octal subtraction from the decimal subtraction. So here now if you take 8 plus 3 is 11, and from 11 if we subtract 5, what we will get? We will get 6, and here 1 minus 1, that will be 0. So our answer will be what? 6. Okay, so this is how we need to do octal subtraction. Now let's implement all this knowledge in doing the examples, because more examples we will do, more idea you will get how to do the octal subtraction. So the first number that we are having is 325, out of which we need to subtract 167. So here if you check out, 5 minus 7 cannot happen. So here we will take borrow, and borrow will be 8. 8 plus 5 we will have, that is 13, and from 13 if we subtract 7 we will get 6. Here also if you check out, 1 minus 6 cannot happen, so we will take borrow, and 8 will be transferred over here. 8 plus 1 is 9, and out of 9 if we subtract 6 we will get 3, and here 2 minus 1 will be 1. So that is your answer of 325 minus 167. I hope students you are getting clear with the concept of doing the octal subtraction. Moving on to the next example, here we have the number 316 minus 451. Here if you check out, 316 is lesser than 451. So your answer will be negative. But doing the octal subtraction in this conventional manner, that can be quite complex. So rather than going into the complexity, what you can do is more simple thing, that is you reverse this subtraction. Reverse this subtraction means 451 minus 316, that you get. So after performing this subtraction, whatever the answer you get, you add minus sign above that, and that will be your final answer. So here also we are going to do that only. So we are going to perform the subtraction between 451 and 316. Okay, so here if you check out, here 1 cannot be subtracted from the 6, so we will take borrow. 8 will be transferred. 8 plus 1 is 9, and out of 9 if 6 is subtracted, then the answer will be 3. 4 minus 1, again it is 3, and 4 minus 3, that is 1. So your answer is 133, but negative answer. Okay, so 316 minus 451, your answer will be minus 133. So this type of subtraction is quite simple, and it takes very less time to get the answer. Now moving on to the third example, here we have two number 517.426. So I will write down the number 517.426 minus we have 156.2 and here we can add 2 zeros to get the full number. So doing the subtraction, 6 minus 0 will be 6, 2 minus 0 will be 2, 4 minus 2 will be 2. It is very easy, right? 7 minus 6, it is 1. Here 1 cannot be subtracted from the 5, so we will take the borrow, 8 will be transferred. 8 plus 1 will be 9, and out of 9 if 5 is subtracted, the answer will be 4, and 4 minus 1, the answer will be 3. So this is your answer of the octal subtraction of these two numbers. So I hope students, with these 3 examples you are very clear about how to do the octal subtraction. In the next videos we are going to perform octal subtractions only, but that too using the 7's complement method as well as 8th complement method. So that also making the octal subtraction method quite easier, and that is also interesting to see that how these 7's and 8's complement methods are helping us to get the subtraction very easily. So at the end of the video I request you to subscribe this channel, because your subscription and your viewership is helping me a lot. It is motivating me a lot to getting the videos regularly on the channel. You can also explore more videos and explore the full playlist of the digital electronics that is created on the channel, and you can follow me on the social media handles. That also I put the interesting content on the engineering. So with that, let's wrap up the video. I'm going to meet you every Monday and Saturday on this channel. Thank you very much.